My name is Cabdi Ibrahim Nageeye, and I am one of the Somalilanders. I came from all the region of Somaliland. Clearly, the problem of Somalia is tribalism. We are tribes striving. Everyone wants to grab the land of the other tribe, and everyone wants to advance. It is their tribe. Clearly, all the four gentlemen who were before me and who were talking about Somaliland are Somalilanders, but they are from one tribe, and I am from another tribe. Somaliland is relatively stable. It's my country. I have been there for the last year. Before the last year and a half, I was teaching universities, both Hargeisa and Amud, as a law professor. International law, Somaliland is claiming independence because it's relatively stable. The last months, some of the tribes are at willingly killed in Somaliland. My tribe, 4 died last time, and when they were shot, then they were cut into pieces. And this is the 4th time that kind of a thing happening. If Britain, actually, as an Awdal people, we were the door that the British colonists came in. We were the only civilized area at that time. And now we are the victims. Here, we're sliding back. We had a legal agreement with Britain, which is still pending, and which Britain has real to honor. But I'm not talking about that one. I'm talking about only one thing. Somali, all these diaspora people, every one of us will advance his own tribe or her own tribe. Okay. What I am saying is, I'm finalizing it. What I'm saying is, we have to look Somalia, the last 18 regions of the country. The country was divided into 18 regions. Every region must be autonomous from the other one, and every tribe must be really free from the other one.
I can see the Constituent Assembly is going to get very difficult under these circumstances.
Yes.
Okay, Okay. Please. Shh. Again, I've got, just so you know, I have 16 names. I have 16 people I'm being calling on. As people